A pullback of 3.6% in Optimism is forecasted for tomorrow, per 30 rates. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. As of now, Optimism has moved down 0.2% in 24 hours and is currently at $0.0852. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. 30. Rates projects the price may weaken to $0.0821 by tomorrow. That's a decrease of 3.6%. Optimism might touch $0.0851, according to coin price forecast, about 0.1% beneath current price. CoinDataFlow notes it may advance towards $0.0859, an estimated rise of 0.9%. Another outlook from Traders Union sees Optimism advancing to $0.0868, a rise of approximately 1.9%. Finally, crypto predictions target $0.099 by August 2, which is 16.2% higher than now. This forecast has the highest return potential among those considered. You've now seen 5 forecasts. Let's move ahead. After summarizing the forecasts, let's dive into the details. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decline of 3.6% and a rise of 16.2%, depending on the analyst. Therefore, crypto prediction stands out with the highest projected return, with 16.2% gain in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could net between $1 and $162 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, coin price forecast ranks highest with a 90.3% chance of success. By merging the 5 forecasts, I've shaped a single consensus view. Based on consensus data, Optimism is expected to edge higher towards $0.0878. Let's unpack the details together. The consensus average implies a 3% increase by tomorrow. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 3% if the trend follows through. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $30 in gain. And when it comes to probabilities, the consensus forecast for Optimism carries about 68.7% likelihood. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. 30 rate sees Optimism trending lower. Coin price forecast describes price action as muted. For this horizon, CoinDataFlow sees Optimism heading higher. Traders Union expects losses to extend. Crypto predictions points to the price breaking higher in the short term. By merging the individual forecasts, the consensus shows Optimism trending upward across this short-term period. The consensus of opinions shows 60% leaning bullish, pointing to a higher trajectory for Optimism. 5 sites posted forecasts 2 days ago. Now we'll check them against yesterday's numbers. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $0.0852. Just one prediction was on the right side. Top result for precision went to CoinDataFlow. Now comes the breakdown. Yesterday's span included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but coin price forecast stood out with 0.9%. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. At a glance, coin price forecast was given 87.2% forecast probability accuracy and 0.9% ROI. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Optimism and a few alternatives. Optimism ranks lower while Hedera holds the lead at 4.7%. Here we're comparing Optimism with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset is already online on my website. If this kind of multiple analyst review helps you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's update. Catch you tomorrow.